Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Nvidia price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the all-time history here, we're looking at a 112 for Nvidia, a wave 3 toward the upside in yellow, and 4 and a 5. Currently we have finished a wave 5, we're looking at a wave 4 in the orange scenario as 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5. Now this wave 4 taken of course from the fib level of the wave 2 here, you are looking potentially for still lower prices. And we're still looking, of course, here for some retracement toward the downside. If we dive a little bit deeper inside it, we can see the blue box has been already hit between the 0.23, 0.38. Now, basically, if we are looking for an ABC here as an expanding flat, because definitely you have 3 ways down, 3 ways up, you're looking here for something unfolding. Now, in case that this is an ending diagonal, what are the potential for an ending diagonal here? Of course, you need a zigzag first, and obviously that this high has been taken here. Yeah, so this one is higher than here. Therefore, it's a little bit hard to call it as an ending diagonal here. Something else definitely is unfolding in a complex structure. I would say it is looking like kind of like even here as 3 waves down, and then you're looking for a correction and then continuation for lower. And I would say, yeah, this is not very clear price action for an ending diagonal or for an impulse. So nothing is impulsive for a wave C. Therefore, of course, we have much higher potential at WX and a Y here. In this WX and a Y, you're looking at a W, this is your X, and potentially your Y is, of course, another structure unfolding currently. If we move a little bit even insider, we see, of course, a 3 waves toward the downside potentially, and of course another 3 waves up, and then a continuation for a wave C, meaning this whole thing is an A. You're looking here for a wave potentially A, B, and a C. As yesterday we said, of course, we need the blue box. And here we go. Right now, we just hit the blue box from, not yesterday, actually, that was before yesterday. So we have an A, B, and a C potentially. You're still looking for, of course, one more wave C toward the upside. Potentially for 1-to-1 fib level, it depends where we drop here, of course. Yeah, so here we go. The 1-to-1 fib level is, of course, moving even lower with the price. So basically, this is what I'm looking for here. As a wave B, I'm still looking for, 3 waves, A, B, and a C. And after this, of course, I'm still expecting continuation toward the downside. And I think that the 1.38, 1.618 still can be hit, knowing that it is not an expanding diagonal. Yeah, it is not an expanding diagonal, because I cannot even, I mean, this wave is already longer than wave 1. Even if I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is longer already. So all the types of motive waves are already invalidated here. Even double 1-2 you don't have. 1-2, 1-2, no, impossible. And impulse, there is no impulse. Invalidation. And leading or ending diagonal, this is longer than wave 1. Therefore, yeah, the last scenario left is WX. I know why. Now, basically, if we are looking to something like this, 3 waves down, you're looking for 3 waves up. Now, if this was more than enough as corrective wave, it might be that it might unfold, of course, lower prices from now. Don't forget, this is a very corrective complex structure. You cannot really predict it, but preferably, based on the time, preferably a wave B, based on the time. But don't forget, the time is a guideline, it's not a rule. And the problem here, of course, that it might say, okay, it was enough for me to correct here. The market is very red and I'm moving down. Yeah, so nobody knows. But basically, I would say this has to be tested. If we reach, well, even if we reach the 886, it's not a 1-2 at the end. It's not a 1-2 here. Even if you reach the 886, a wave C can be 886. So the only possible scenario, the only possible way to know here that you're moving this toward the downside is to take the low. But even with this, even if you take the low, sorry guys, but yeah, I mean, it's a very critical, it's a wave B, don't forget, or X which is the most complicated structure that you cannot really trade it, I would say. Because this can be also 3 ways up, 3 ways down, expanding flat, wave C toward the upside again, and then moving down. So you see the possibilities here are very, very huge. Yeah? It can be even turning into triangle, nobody knows, as an X and then a wave Y. Yeah? So a lot of patterns that it might unfold. Now let's see, of course, the reaction here, and then let's wait for a wave C. If this happens, then that will be good on keeping on the track. 1 to 1 FIB time is very close, yeah, to be taken, so that would be good, yeah, for the wave 4. So we're gonna see how it's gonna unfold here. Basically, I would like to see this. Yeah, basically this, meaning double zigzags. Here we go, with an X in between. That would be perfect. If that happened, that would be good. So be careful with Nvidia, of course. Now we're dropping. Nasdaq is dropping. Everything is dropping down, of course. The effect of the news yesterday so are taking effect as well today. We're gonna see how this is gonna unfold. That was it for Nasdaq. Trade safe. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.